Hey everybody, what's up? Hope you guys have been keeping safe and doing well. You may have already seen the previous tutorial videos that I have done to help beginner riders come to grips with the different track layouts that we have here in the UAE. This one is of the Dubai Autodrome's club circuit. As I've said earlier, this is not for advanced riders and is purely a beginner's guide. Before we begin, remember to hit that subscribe button to support the channel and click the bell icon to turn on notifications. Now, the green zones denote acceleration and the red zones are where you roll off the throttle. So, enjoy this tutorial in this video from the Biker Crew UAE.
We begin on the start-finish straight. Throttle wide open and accelerating to 5th gear anywhere between 230 and 250 kilometers an hour. Brake hard as you get to the lights at the end of the wall and shift down to 2nd gear. Use a sharp entry angle as this is the beginning of a double apex. Go a little wide as you accelerate to prepare you for the end of the double apex at turn 2. Stay to the right of the track and brake hard from the 100-meter board. The apex is late. Stay in the middle of the track and accelerate as you get to turn 4. The back straight is short and turn 5 comes up rather fast. Brake hard and shift down to 2nd. Turn 6 and 7 are a part of the chicane and you will have to change directions pretty fast. Remember not to touch the white lines as they are slippery. Stay in 2nd gear for turn 8 and the apex is late. Accelerate through turn 9. Shift to 3rd briefly before braking hard and shifting down to 2nd. Stay in the left of the track and turn in late because turn 10 has a very late apex. Back on the start-finish straight and accelerating hard, that's the lap of the Dubai Autodrome's club circuit.
I hope that this tutorial will help you better understand the racing lines. Thanks for watching. As always, ride safe and I'll see you on the road.